using for people. Like when we would use the World Health Organization, the abbreviation is WHO. Egyptian people call it WHO. That doesn't make sense. I don't want it, and we're gonna abolish it. We're gonna stop it, and you have to count me among the people who take decisions to stop that. What was the third word? Yes, because Egyptians use abbreviations very abnormally, and me, being the person I am, I don't like that. So, again,
like microbus is dragon.
What about microbus dragon?
You don't know? Did you ever?
They are not humans.
Oh, okay.
So I am only talking about humans. They are people who I'm not going to talk about because I want my speech to stay clean. So I'm not going to talk about them. So please vote for me